Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you a grocery hauls, and I have a few tips to share with you, and then I'm going to show you also how I store all this away and meal prep for the week. So I went shopping at a store called the Real Canadian Superstore. So I am located in Canada, and this is what $278.74 looks like. There was special, there was no taxes this weekend, so there were a few items that were taxable, so that went off of it, $6.78, and also I think, yeah, so $275.49 was the total. Real Canadian Superstore is part of Loblaws, so they do have PC points that you can collect, and so I used 40 to pay of my points to supplement the payment, and then I also earned 35 points towards my next purchase, or in my points from this week's grocery. So in order to do that, you have to make sure you load up all your offers that they email you onto your app, and then if you buy things that they're offering, it will give you X amount of points. And then sometimes they have also an offer that if you spend $120, you can get 12,000 points, which would be like $12. And then this week, if you spend over $250, you got this box of variety pack of ice cream, 38 of them. Value is $25, and you got it for free. So overall, in my opinion, it is a great store to shop because they also price match items, so you can save money there. I did price match some, what did I price match this week? Oh, bacon. I price matched bacon. This bacon, I think regular price is around $5, and I got it for $3.99 because it was on sale at a different store, and I didn't need to go to a different store. And the way I price match is I use this app, so it's a Rebby, and all our local stores are listed, and then I'll just go, so let's say I need to search for something, so let's say eggs, and then it'll give me all the deals on eggs at all the stores. I am pretty familiar with which stores the Superstore will price match, so I look for those. And then let's say you go to this store, you add this to your shopping list, and then when you're at checkout, you just show your shopping list, and all the stuff you're price matching is right in there. So that's how I use it. So let me start over here and show you what I bought. So we like this Blue Menu or bubbly water. It's very similar to the Bubbly that Costco sells. I think that's how you call it, or the La Choice. Is that what the water is in the US? So it's just a sparkling water with nothing in it. Here are the nutritional information. Some toilet paper. The paper towel was on sale, so these items didn't have any tax on them, so I saved extra there. And then for produce, I got watermelon, some peaches, apples, blueberries, strawberries, grapes, cherries. My kids are gonna be done school, so I need to have all these ready available snacks for them at home so they don't reach for junk, which I didn't buy, but sometimes they find junk. Bananas, pears, and then from veggies, so I got big thing of potatoes. I like these one sweet peppers because they're mini peppers. They're great for snacking on. Cauliflower, zucchini, some cherry tomatoes, spring mix, and spinach, jalapenos. I will be making some burritos, so I need it for guacamole, and I like putting jalapenos in my burrito. apples, and then tomorrow we're gonna have some homemade pizza. So I just stopped at a local bakery and picked up their dough. I like the organic spelt pizza dough, and then for the kids I got just the regular organic pizza dough, and then I also got breadcrumbs because I will be making some chicken schnitzels. And then for some baking, I got large flaked oats and rolled oats. Oats and rolled oats. Then I will be making some breakfast freezer meals. So I picked up the whole wheat English muffins. I always buy the bagels for the freezer, so the kids can just have some either with their eggs or on their own with some peanut butter or cream cheese. Got 2 flat of eggs because I will be making breakfast freezer meals. Some milk, so the ice cream, almond milk, and then chicken breast was on sale, so I picked up 3 family packs. I think there's 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, and then we are having shrimp linguine, so I picked up some raw peeled tail off shrimp. I eat this yogurt, which is 2% Greek yogurt. This one's for my husband. The kids still have theirs, so didn't have to buy that. Then I got some cream, butter, cheese, some applesauce, sardines for my dog, some evaporated milk, pumpkin puree. I got elbow macaroni because I'll be making macaroni and cheese, and then some penne for my shrimp alfredo. I got cream cheese, 3 of them, some dark chocolate chips, 71%, and then unsweetened coconut and buttermilk. So I think that's it. I don't think I missed anything. So I'm going to put all this away and show you how I store it all in my fridge. So let me show you how I stored it all in. These are from Tupperware. I only labeled these so my husband can see where the mushrooms are. Then in here I just put all the stuff for dinners. Same here. And this has some breakfast items, just all the different items. Then over here I have the fruit that I won't put in the fridge. And that's it.